Today we're checking out the Red Rock center console trim in carbon fiber, designed to fit 2021 and newer Ford F-150s. This is going to be a great option for those F-150 owners looking to enhance the interior of their truck with a sleek, high-end carbon fiber look while adding an extra layer of protection to the center console. The Red Rock center console trim in this carbon fiber finish provides a stylish and modern upgrade for your F-150's interior. The nice carbon fiber finish gives your truck cabin a more premium and aggressive look, making it stand out from the factory plastic trim. This trim is designed to fit perfectly over your existing console, giving it a seamless, factory-like appearance. Beyond aesthetics, this trim also serves as a protective layer, helping to shield your center console from everyday wear and tear, including scratches, scuffs, and fading from the sun. If your truck's center console already has some minor blemishes, this piece is going to be a great way to refresh the interior look without needing any costly replacements. Made from durable ABS plastic, this trim is both lightweight and impact resistant, making sure it's going to last you for years to come. The carbon fiber style finish is UV resistant, helping to prevent fading or discoloration over time. The precision molded design guarantees a snug fit over your existing console, maintaining a clean and factory-like look without adding any unnecessary bulk. Now, as far as pricing goes on this Red Rock center console trim, it's going to come in right around that $75 price range, making it a cost-effective way to elevate your F-150's interior look with something a little bit more custom. Installing this trim piece is going to be very quick and painless with no permanent modifications. The trim comes with this automotive-grade adhesive backing that ensures a secure fit. Simply clean off the surface, peel off the adhesive backing, and press this trim into place for almost an instant custom look. We're going to give this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should take you no more than 10 minutes to complete the job. Now let's see exactly how that goes on with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber trim for my center console here. But before we do that, we're going to prep it and clean it. We're going to take some alcohol towels. If you do not have alcohol towels, you can get a bottle of rubbing alcohol, same thing. Put it on a rag, and we're going to wipe around the area the two-way tape's got to stick to. So, I'm just going to go around this whole thing. Get any oils cleaned off it. And take a couple of them. Good thing with rubbing alcohol, it evaporates really quick, so you don't got to wait for it to dry. Alright, and they already got the two-way tape on it. It's really strong. What I like to do before I peel the red backing off is go through and make sure there's no air bubbles in the tape. And sometimes there is. Okay. All you got to do is start peeling this tape off. If you don't have good fingernails, I brought tweezers. You can get the tape started and then just peel it back. This is about the longest part of this whole install, is peeling this tape off. There we go. All right, now that all the tape is off, I'm gonna place this in here. You just push down. Another thing too, you can add more tape in places if you don't believe there's enough to hold it in place, which out of all the pieces I've bought, they pretty much put the tape everywhere it needs to be. And it's on the inside, so temperature wise, it's good. And then after that, I just take a nice towel, rub it down again, push it a little harder, and as you can see, we're done here. We get a nice clear shot of this.
Alright, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock center console trim in carbon fiber for the 2021 and newer F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.